Hello everyone! Today we are making a mascarpone strawberry meringue cake. There is a few things to think about when making a meringue. The utensils have to be really clean, so make sure to wipe down the bowl and the whisk with some vinegar or lemon. Start by adding 4 medium-large egg whites. We need 1 cup of caster sugar in total, but we're only adding 1/4 right now. Start to whisk on medium speed. When the egg whites has turned into a nice foam, it's time to increase to medium-high. When you see waves in the foam around the whisk, it's time to add another 1/4 of the caster sugar. And when you see the egg whites clump around the whisk or inside the whisk, it's time to add the rest of the sugar. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Then increase the speed to max for 2 minutes. The cornstarch and the vinegar will help stabilize the meringue and give it a little bit of structure when it's cooked. You can use a piping bag now with a large round tip, but we're just gonna use a spatula. I have outlined 3 7-inch circles on the back of the parchment paper to make sure I get approximately the same size on all 3 pieces. You need to bake these at 210 Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. When the time is up, turn off the oven and leave it slightly open. Let the meringue cool completely in the oven, and then you can take it out and remove it from the paper. So, for the strawberry and mascarpone cream, we're gonna need 9 ounces of frozen strawberries. And we will add 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Bring this up to a boil and leave it for about a minute, and then it's time to mix it smooth. Then pour it through a fine mesh strainer, and you're gonna need a spatula to push all the liquids through. So when all the liquids are out, don't throw away what's left in the strainer. It's actually very good on pancakes, or stir it down in your yogurt. While the strawberry sauce is cooling off, we're gonna start whipping up the cream. Add 1¼ cup of whipping cream. You need to whisk this until you reach soft peaks. Add 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese to the cream, and then 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And finally, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar. However, you can substitute with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then whisk this on high speed until it's smooth. Add 2/3 of the strawberry sauce. Then use a spatula to mix it in. Use 1/3 of the cream for each layer. And on top of the cake we put fresh strawberries. But you can put a mix of berries if you like. And finally drip the strawberry sauce on top. This strawberry meringue cake combines 3 crispy meringues. Sweet, decadent mascarpone strawberry mousse, making this cake a delicious spring and summer dessert. That's it for me, and as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.